I swear only real traders have actually felt this. Have you ever finished your trading day and you're looking back at your trades and you're thinking to yourself, oh my God, I should have made way more money than I did. I should have sized up on this position instead of that one. I should have managed this trade differently. And you feel so close towards making the money that you're looking for. Well, the only difference between you and the version of yourself that is making the money that you think you deserve is execution. It's you developing a plan and then actually executing it, getting the right entry, placing the stop loss at the right point, and then managing the position objectively in accordance to what your trading plan tells you to do. And the only way to get better at execution is to do it every single day and to remain consistent. It's to get on the charts every day, regardless of how you feel, regardless of whether yesterday was a bad day, and you sit down and you execute on your trading plan. And then you journal what went wrong, what went right. You eliminate all of your mistakes, you refine your system, and then the next day or the next week, you execute it again. And you do that for months on end. And over time, your execution is going to improve because you're actually putting the reps in. The only difference between you and the version of yourself that is super profitable is ultimately work ethic, consistency, and time. You can earn the profits that you think that you deserve. You just have to put yourself in a position to succeed. Let me know in the comments if you've actually felt this and if you agree.